Alright, hi, I'm Kyle Hamlet. I'm Taylor Goyette.
Okay, of team
1073.
Okay, and what do you have in your hands?
So right here we have one of the modules from the T811 Modulus.
Okay.
Great system for building electrical boards like this. They lock in, so as you can see we have a whole bunch of them right here. And each component mounts to, like the smaller components mount to one of them, and the larger components can mount across 4 or 6 depending upon the size.
Cool. And is this the first year you're using them?
Yes.
Okay. What was the biggest change from last year that you noticed?
The biggest change from going from mounting it directly to the board and mounting it to these was probably just getting them lined up. That was the biggest problem we had. I think it was just a bit of miscommunication between people.
Okay. How about you, Taylor? Anything or?
I like that we could build the board before we had to put it on the robot.
Okay, that's cool. How'd you guys? So that was with the hardware itself. How about when you were wiring the robot? Did you notice any differences? Or?
Yes. When we were wiring it, it allowed for drastic improvements as far as organization goes. So the power wires for these 4 talons right here running underneath it, right there. Also, all of the pneumatics are running straight down. And another thing that really helped us out was we could wrap the can wires around one of the parts of it. We could wrap the can wires around one of the parts of that, and that keeps it very organized, and it shortens the distance between the talons.
Cool. What's the biggest gripe with the system?
I don't know. Yeah, I didn't have any problems with it. It works great.
Cool. It was a time saver. It was a time saver for the build because we were able to pre-wire the electrical components prior to actually getting the robot from the mechanical component. So, in essence, what used to take 3 to 5 days for wiring, depending on how complex the robot was, we had 50% or more of the wiring done before we ever had the robot. That was a huge time saver. That cannot be understated in such a short amount of time for this competition.